Hey judges, welcome to the Cult Classics Club. I'm Jacob Cavanaugh, that's Kane Lee, that's Alex Slim, and I'm just AJ. So, everyone loves a good Cult Classics put on, watch, and judge. But how well do we fare at making one? This is what the Cult Classic Calculator aims to find out.
Yes, so what is a cult classic? A cult classic is used to describe a movie that has generated a significant and dedicated fan base over time. These films typically don't do well at the office at the time of release, but capture a very niche and dedicated audience over time. The film tends to stray away from what the mainstream deems a property and embraces concepts that are considered improper, scandalous, or obscure.
So our goal here was to determine whether or not a movie is a cult classic or not. A user will enter details about a fake film, and the program will return the probability of that movie being a cult classic.
So our methodology to build this program, first we scraped the Wikipedia for a list of cult classic films, and we supplemented this with a API database, the movie DB. And after we did some data cleaning and accounted for missingness, we had around 10,000 movies where we could train a few different models. That's like 2 years of continuous movie watching.
All right, so for our models, we first tried using the BERT model by Google, and we tried to vectorize all the text data, and that didn't work out for us for multiple different reasons, so we decided to go with a decision tree model. And that one ended up working a lot better for us. Some of the stuff we put into the model were the title, the tagline, description, runtime, genre, revenue, budget, and release year. And we also made API to work with a website we made, but due to time constrictions, we weren't able to make that work out for us. So, let's go over here.
All right, so now we're going to do a quick fake demo of what our product would have looked like if we got that API to work at the very end. So this is the Cult Classic Calculator. It's pretty campy. It's pretty strange looking. Looks like an old film. That's kind of the vibe we were going for. And this is kind of a demo movie that I just sort of came up with. So the title is Datasaur 2, Datasaur's Bride. Runtime is 20 minutes. It's a romance movie. And the only thing scarier than extinction, give it a second, is commitment. I'm going to write a short description as well. So after surviving his journey across the data lake in Datasaur 1, obviously, Datasaur seeks fulfillment. Fulfillment with new love. That's spelled wrong, but that's okay. And essentially, you would click the Cult Classic score, and it would calculate it, give you a score. So Datasaur is 75% likely to be a cult classic. Good for us. And we essentially just return the rest of the movie details. And yeah, that's our project. Thank you very much.